Dharmesh ji, first coming to you. Which are the sectors that you will bet big on with the GST cut to happen? I know that you mentioned that till the time the GST cuts come into play, there could be still lower sales because people would postpone their sales after the cuts. Beyond that, how would you really look at the big beneficiaries?
Sakshi, I mean, two sectors are clear plays, that is the automobiles and cement. I mean, FMCG is still, I don't think people will be consuming more. They will be
Okay.
consuming the way they are consuming. But these
Yeah.
two sectors will go on. Only
Yes.
one thing I would like to highlight, Sakshi, here is, I mean, indirect tax collection as a percentage of GDP, if you look beyond, before 20, when the GST implementation came through, it was 5.4 to 5.6%. It has come down to 4.9% as of now. In absolute term, it does look a big growth, but as a percentage of GDP, it has been coming down in direct taxes. So just fiscal math would be definitely a challenge. Someone has to pay for this somewhere down the line. So all those things have to be looked into it, because the government of India till now has been the key spender and the puller of the economic activity. So there are many, moving parts to it before, you can conclude out there. But definitely automobiles and cement are the two favorite go-to sectors too, in case of this implementation comes through.
Okay, let me also bring in Vaishali here. Vaishali, before we ask you on the key markets, there we're talking about the GST benefits that could accrue on autos, on consumer durables, FMCG, and even cement sectors that could be direct beneficiaries of the GST rationalization, which is to follow. How are you looking at these pockets? Do you think a fresh wave of buying can start to happen here?
Very good morning, Sakshi. And yes, of course, today is a positive start, and especially for consumer and automobile sector and also cement. So I'm looking at a lot of stocks like Havells, Voltas right now opening with a gap up. In fact, Havells, if you look at it, it's showing signs of reversal. So I think even the automobile sector, look at Maruti, Ashok Leyland, etc. So I think, yes, it's a good rally that we are going to see from here on.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.